It's one of the best mobile applications ever created. An interactive and community-driven GPS navigation software for smartphones and tablets that provides turn-by-turn driving instructions and responds to user input queries or feedback. Adjudged Mobile Software of the Year in 2013, it is an indispensable daily tool for Filipinos who take to the road every day and deal with the nightmarish drive-in in the megacity. Like all GPS navigation programs, the voice of Waze is female. And now it dabbles in the native tongue, much to the delight of Filipinos. And this report from Jervis Manahan.
We went to an office in Mandaluyong for a news coverage. So as not to get lost, we used Waze in Filipino voice.
Sa 1.1 kilometro, manatili sa kaliwa patungong U-turn slot.
Introducing Adora, the Filipino version of Waze.
Manatili sa kaliwa patungong U-turn slot. Tapos mag-U-turn sa 170 Quezon Avenue East.
The Waze application recently introduced its Filipina voice. It's of a woman who spoke in a casual tone.
Sa 600 metro, labasan patungong Quezon Avenue East Outer Service Road.
The Department of Transportation actually commenced this effort as it is expected to reach drivers who are not proficient in English.
Nakikita ng Waze yung value ng sarili niya sa Pilipinas, at the same manner yung value natin sa kanya. So I mean for them to localize yung kanilang ginagawa. Definitely it will help kasi, di ba? Magagamit na ngayon yan ng a greater base of people.
Matagal nang inaabangan ng publiko ang Pinoy voice ng Waze at madami ng usap-usapan kung kaninong boses ang gagamitin. Available na kasi sa nasa mahigit 30 wika ang pinakasikat na navigation app. In social media, lots of speculation of whose Filipino voice will be used floated. There was one who suggested Chris Aquino.
Start mo ni engine. Okay. Turn right ka na dyan. Okay, bongga, perfect, nakikinig, in fairness, ha?
Gus Abelgas.
Sino at ano ang dahilan kung bakit hindi gumagalaw ang mga sasakyan?
Babalu.
Oh, ba't ka huminto, ha? Ba't ka tumigil? Nangano ka, ha? Sabi ko, mamaya ka pa tumire-diretso ka muna, ha?
And even President Duterte.
Alam mo, pagdating sa may dulo, kaliwa na. Kung di ka kumaliwa.
Of course, there was also a Senator Laila de Lima version.
Urge the Filipino people not to follow President Duterte. If you do not want to turn left, do not turn left. That is your human right.
Motorists also welcome the development.
Mabuti yan para sa mga Pilipino kasi mas maraming makakaintindi.
Di mas madaling maunawa ng mga katulad kong driver. Yung iba, aminin man natin, kahit sabihin natin pangalawang wika natin ng English, hindi naman yung iba pa rin medyo nalilito pa rin naman.
One can easily switch to Adora in Waze's settings. But it has to be said that while it's amusing to listen to, safety should still be the top concern. Jervis Manahan for The Nation.